Following the increased rate of drugs, substance abuse and gender-based violence affecting society in Northwest, the federal government of Nigeria has launched a 4-month campaign against drug abuse and domestic violence to address the menace. This gathering of stakeholders on the alarming rate of drug abuse is a national crisis, with 14.3 million Nigerians aged 14 to 54 using psychoactive substances in the Northwest. This comes at a time when the region is battling a myriad of security challenges for over a decade. The campaign theme, Stop Drug Abuse and Violence in Our Communities, is aimed at raising awareness, engaging communities and mobilizing stakeholders to combat drug addiction and its consequences in society. The Speaker of the House of Representatives, Tajuddin Abbas, says drug abuse is destroying the future of the region, with most affected groups being youths.
With the National Orientation Agency, the NDLEA, and other key stakeholders engaging directly with communities, traditional rulers, religious leaders, educators, and non-government organizations across all states and local governments in the Northwest. The future of our region depends on the decisive actions we take today. Let us unite our efforts to protect our youth from the destructive allure of drugs and uphold the rights and dignities of every Nigerian.
The National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, NDLEA, says 12% of the entire population of the Northwest Zone, with 3 million, are grappling and affected by drug abuse, and underscored the urgent need for collective action to arrest the situation.
West, like other regions of Nigeria, has seen a surge in drug-related crimes, addiction, and social decay. Drug abuse is not only a law enforcement issue. It is a public health crisis, a social problem, and an economic burden. It's even more disturbing is the fact that 1 in 4 drug users is female, and 1 in 5 drug abusers is suffering from drug use disorder.
The stakeholders called for driven intelligence to sustain awareness and change the narrative.
As a normal part of passionate relationships.
Is now. The legal framework governing drug control must be reinforced and enforcement mechanisms strengthened to ensure that traffickers and enablers of this illicit trade face the full force of the law. The menace of drug abuse and the circulation of illicit drugs is not just a national challenge, but a crisis that threatens the very bad fabric of our society. However, drug abuse does not exist in isolation. Research has shown a direct link between drug abuse, violent crimes, and especially domestic crime.
Hello, hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the notification button so you get notified about fresh news updates.